cut. To divide something using a sharp tool. She cut the paper into small pieces. Be careful not to cut your finger while chopping vegetables. To cut. Score. To make shallow cuts on a surface. Score the dough before baking it. The chef scored the fish skin to help it cook evenly. To score. Slice. To cut something into thin, flat pieces. He sliced the bread for breakfast. She sliced the tomatoes neatly for the salad. To slice. Chop. To cut into small, rough pieces using a knife or axe. He chopped the onions quickly. They chopped wood for the fire. To chop. Carve. To cut into a shape or design, often in wood or meat. He carved a bird out of wood. She carved the turkey at dinner. To carve. Trim. To make something neat by cutting away small pieces. She trimmed her hair yesterday. He trimmed the bushes in the garden. To trim. Clip. To cut off a small part, often with scissors or clippers. She clipped her nails short. The gardener clipped the hedge perfectly. To clip. Shear. To cut the hair or wool from an animal or something large. The farmer sheared the sheep. He sheared the hedge into a round shape. To shear. Snip. To cut quickly and lightly, often with scissors. She snipped the loose thread off her dress. He snipped open the package. To snip. Hack. To cut roughly or violently. He hacked at the branches with a machete. The woodcutter hacked the tree until it fell. Shave. To cut hair close to the surface. He shaved his beard this morning. The carpenter shaved off a bit of wood. To shave. Mince. To cut into very small pieces. She minced the garlic finely. The chef minced the meat for the burgers. To mince. Dice. To cut into small square pieces. Dice the carrots before adding them to the soup. He diced the potatoes perfectly. To dice. Slash. To make a long deep cut. The villain slashed the painting. The blade slashed through the curtain. To slash. Prune. To cut away dead or unwanted parts of plants. He pruned the rose bushes in spring. Always prune the tree to help it grow better. To prune. Cleave. To split something apart with force. The axe cleaved the log in half. Lightning cleaved the sky. To cleave. Slit. To make a narrow, long cut. She slit open the envelope. The tailor slit the fabric carefully. To slit. In size. To cut into a surface with precision. The surgeon incised the skin carefully. The artist incised patterns into the stone. To incise. Snick. To make a small, quick cut or nick. She snicked off the loose thread with tiny scissors. He snicked the tag off. To snick. Notch. To cut a small V-shaped mark or groove. The hunter notched the arrow before shooting it. He notched the piece of wood. To notch. Crop. To cut short or trim. She cropped her hair very short. The farmer cropped the field early this year. To crop. Pare. To cut away the outer layer. She pared the apple's skin. He pared down the wooden stick smoothly. To pare. Chip. To cut a small piece off something hard. He chipped a piece of stone off the wall. She chipped the edge of her cup. To chip. Whittle. To cut or shape wood with a small knife. He whittled a stick into a toy. The boy whittled a piece of wood into a bird. To whittle. Tear. To cut or break by pulling apart. She tore the paper into halves. He accidentally tore his shirt. To tear. Chisel. To cut or shape stone or wood with a chisel. The sculptor chiseled a statue. He chiseled his name into the stone. To chisel. Saw. To cut with a saw. He sawed the plank into 2 pieces. The carpenter sawed through the thick beam. To saw.